All right, it is 9 a.m. Monday, February 14th, and the markets have opened up mostly flat here, maybe a little bit to the downside this morning, following a tough week last week. There is a lot going on out there with inflation, the Federal Reserve, interest rates, Russia, Ukraine. So this Thursday morning, you're invited to join Tom Fox, our Chief Investment Officer, and me as we give you our update on the positives in the economy and the markets, real and possible headwinds that we're watching, and ultimately what we think it means moving forward, both in the short term and the longer term. Thursday morning, 11 a.m. Central Time, is our next capital markets update and outlook call. If you'd like to join us, you can get the Zoom link at our website. Additionally, the beginning of the year is a great time to look at various aspects of your life and develop a plan to improve your financial fitness. Our 2022 Financial Fitness Checkup Questionnaire is now available also at our website. Last week, I walked through the 57 questions for identifying areas of your financial life that should be discussed this year. If you couldn't join us live last week, I invite you to go to the website and watch the recording. When you register, you'll get an email with the checklist so that you can follow along too. It doesn't take very long. I think we finished in under 20 minutes, so I sincerely hope that you take advantage of this opportunity. All right. So in this week's recap, inflation and Ukraine fears present a rock and a hard place to investors. I'm going to go ahead and roll the intro, and then we'll take a closer look. Life is too short to worry about what the next headline could do to your life savings. Hi, my name is Eric Hagan, and I keep my thumb on the pulse of the economy and the markets so my clients can focus on the things that are actually important to them. Thank you for joining me the next few minutes on today's weekly economic video update. A hot inflation print and the growing concern of a Russian invasion of Ukraine sent stocks tumbling late in the week, leaving major indices lower for the 5 trading days. The Dow Jones Industrials Average skidded 1%, while the Standard & Poor's 500 retreated 1.82%. The NASDAQ Composite Index slumped 2.18%, and the MSCI EAFE Index, which tracks developed overseas stock markets, advanced 2.26%. The week had a bit of a double whammy. Midweek, a fresh batch of positive corporate earnings surprises lifted investor sentiment, helping stocks claw back losses, with technology stocks posting some of the sharpest gains. But January's inflation report, set for release on Thursday morning, remained investors' biggest concern. When the report hit, it showed accelerating inflation, and stocks dropped and bond yields went higher. Stocks managed to recover from the initial reaction to the unexpectedly high inflation number, but when the president of the Federal Reserve Bank of St. Louis commented that the Fed may consider a more aggressive move against inflation, stocks resumed their slide lower. The stock skid accelerated into Friday on White House reports that an invasion of Ukraine by Russian forces may be imminent. So let's take a closer look at that inflation report. Prices of consumer goods accelerated in January, rising 0.6% from the previous month and 7.5% year over year. This annual inflation rate was the highest since 1982. Core inflation, which excludes the more volatile food and energy prices, was 6% higher from last January. Many economists and market analysts had expected inflation to moderate, but driven by a surge in prices of used cars, gasoline, and energy, inflation remained at elevated levels. The persistence of inflation at these heights has fueled investor concerns that the Fed might consider a more aggressive 50 basis point increase in short-term interest rates. All right, that's it for this week's summary. Thank you for staying until the end today. And I do have another riddle for you. Remember, if you are the first person to post the correct answer down below this video, whether you're watching on Facebook or on YouTube, then I'll send you a gift card for coffee on us. Sound good? Remember though, to put your answer below the video in the comments section. I've had people emailing me and sending me direct messages. In order to win coffee, you need to post the correct answer in the comments section below the video. All right, so today's riddle is, what is the smallest number of cars that can be driven down the road in this formation? 2 cars ahead of a car, 2 cars behind a car, and a car between 2 cars. A bit of a mouthful. If you need to rewind this video, go ahead and do that. Again, be the first person to put the correct answer down below this video on either Facebook or on YouTube, and we'll send you a gift card for coffee on us. And then lastly, as usual, later today, I will be sending out our full weekly economic update with all the additional details that go into this weekly check-in. I will also include links to our 2022 financial fitness checkup that I talked about earlier, as well as our 2022 retirement calendar and our key financial data card for this year. If you're not getting this email and you like it, you can head on over to www.investwithccg.com and subscribe right there. Hey, this is Eric again. That's it for today. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave. Here at Capital Consulting Group, we provide personal wealth planning and fiduciary investment management solutions for individuals, couples, and families. To learn how to see your entire financial situation, both today as well as every year into the future, go to clearfinancialfuture.com and watch the short 2-minute video. To learn how we give our clients' life savings the attention it deserves and to see how we're doing, visit smartmixportfolios.com. And lastly, if you'd like help investing your 401k at work, visit me over at 401kinvestmentpros.com. Thank you again for your time today. I'll look for you next week.